And it's time now for our regular Friday feature, The Winner's Edge with Rowan Daly.
The Winner's Edge is brought to you by Mackay Security, serving the horse racing industry for over 30 years.
Good news for local horse racing fans as the sport will resume at Caymanas Park on Saturday, November 15. The following day, Sunday, will host the Jamaica Cup and the Port Royal Sprint, both races as immediate qualifiers to the Mute Mile, as the winner will gain an automatic berth. The following week will be a double meet, the 22nd and 23rd, and the month will conclude on the 29th. So we are just about back on track following the passage of Hurricane Melissa, and all systems are expected to be in place, leading to the Mute Mile on December 6. We started a conversation with jockey Paul Francis. We revisit the conclusion of that engagement. Who only recently booted home his 800th win. He is still to win a Jockey's Championship, the only one in the top 10 list, headed by Winston Griffiths, who has not. He, however, came very close in 2009 when the eventual champion Omar Walker suffered an injury with 15 race days remaining. Francis was less than 20 winners behind, but still found it difficult to overcome as he failed by just one to win the championship.
Well, I'm back in the days again. Oh, that was really a year. That was really a year where that was really a horrible year. That I was really looking for that championship that year, based on the leading where I did fail at such a good 15 races there out. But for some reason, some bad luck catch me into the hand, which for some reason I didn't even gonna get into it because that is a long time. But some bad luck catch me in the end, which I never got there. And that is one of those days, and I put that behind me, made that be the past. I had to try not to think about it because at the end of the day, what past and gone, you cannot make it again.
He told the Winner's Edge, although he would welcome a jockey's title, that's not his present focus. He remains steadfast in optimizing every chance given and looking at the next milestone, which is 1,000 winners.
Well, most definitely, definitely, because reaching 800 winners, why not want to go 1,000? So I'm telling you the truth right now, and to our listeners out there, for the next 3-4 years, they will see the next best of Paul Francis for this 2,000. For the next 200 years.
His Derby success aboard He's Really OK for trainer Patrick Smelly in 2009 remains his greatest achievement in the saddle to date, which he remembers fondly.
Definitely, that Derby was so exciting, so it was so brilliant, and is what I said. After that year, came up to 2012, remember I told you I got some injury from there that cost me a lot. It cost me a lot, and it cost me to get a lot of blame, but people, it is not my fault, but I'm here and I'm back again.
And for the young riders, sage words from Francis.
The best thing I would tell these young riders right now, do more listening, do more focus. Don't bother with the hype thing, because that is what most of them take up and feel like they are big riders and this and start win 2 races and start to get hype and start to disrespect elders and so forth and all them things, and those things don't really work. So those are the best things for them to focus on and concentrate on them riding and continue work.
That's our program for this week.
The Winner's Edge was brought to you by Mackay Security, serving the horse racing industry for over 30 years.